This is my favorite pan for baking sandwich bread. It's a longer, thinner pan. It also is a dark pan, which means you're going to get a crisp exterior on your bread and a soft interior. I also use these. You could use something like that. They're thinner. A traditional bread pan such as this one is sometimes more difficult to get the interior fully baked. I also use mini cake pans or pans such as these for baking things like hamburger buns. You're going to preheat your oven to 200 degrees. Then start by adding all of your dry ingredients to a mixing bowl. Use your paddle attachment and give this a mix. Then add your wet ingredients, your egg, your olive oil, and 1.5 cups of warm water. Start this out on low. Then increase your speed to high and beat this at high speed for 3 minutes. If your bread starts to splatter, you can throw a towel over the mixer. After 3 minutes, you can add this to your bread pan. No matter the size of bread pan, you're only going to want to fill it half full. Gluten-free bread does half of its rising during the proofing or rising time and half of it during the baking time. If you fill your pan too full, it's going to be all over your oven during the baking time. Then place this in your 200 degree oven turned off and set the timer for 40 minutes. Now I'm taking mine out of the oven just to show you how it should have risen, but after 40 minutes it should have risen about to the top of the pan. Don't remove the bread from the oven or open the oven door. Just set your oven to 400 degrees and set your timer for another 40 minutes. Your bread might not be as dark as mine is. Mine gets quite dark because I'm using a dark pan. Allow this to completely cool before cutting. I hope you and your family enjoy this bread recipe. For other bread options, check out calzones or check out my quick bread recipes like pumpkin muffins. Thanks for watching.